Good morning, YouTube. It's your boy, Daily Dose of Los. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Guess what I got for us? Another install video. I'm just kidding. I'm sure you guys are all tired of installations. Like, dang, Los, all you do is install stuff, bro. We ever gonna see you use any of this? Well, guess what? We are finally getting to use some of this stuff, man. We are headed to Missouri for the MOORE Expo. We are going to be making this little trip. It is Friday. Actually, wait, hold on. It is Friday. 7 a.m. Holla at your boy. It is early. You know your boy doesn't wake up this early. And sure don't get up at 7 a.m. At 7 degree weather, man. I left the house. It was like 6:50-ish, 6:30-ish. It was like 7 degrees outside. It is cold, man. Single digits. Do not leave the house if you are trying to stay warm, because boy, it is cold. I'll tell you that right now. Getting gas was freezing. It was freezing. But nonetheless, man, we are making this trip. Got Steven with us in the back, man. Headed to SMORR campground to do a little bit of trail riding this Friday. Tomorrow hit the expo, and then try to find the map or the files to the SMORR to MOORE route, and try to knock that out. And we'll see, maybe make this a 2-3 series episode this weekend. So stick around. In the meantime, I'm now driving. It is cold out here, so I'm gonna focus on the road. I will check in with you guys here at the next gas station stop, whatever we call it. But thanks for stopping by, checking out the channel, man. So let's go ahead and get this episode started in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Pit stop. What's going on, guys? It is 9 degrees out here. It is cold. Hey, Steven, is it cold out here? It is cold, he said. It is freezing. Hey, it did pick up 2 temperature degrees though. It was 7, now it is 9. It is still cold out here. Boy, we are about 3 hours out from MOORE campground, and then we'll be in Springfield. So almost there, guys. Just checking in, letting y'all know we still out here. There's still kind of little snow out here. Boy, it is cold though. Let's get back in the car here. Just done pumping gas. Alright guys, checking back in with y'all. Oh, it is cold. It is 16 degrees now. Not as bad as it was earlier, but it is still cold. Filling up, just checking back in, letting y'all know we almost there. About to make it to SMORR off-road park. May ride a little bit of trails and then head and continue on. So I will see you guys in a little bit. But nonetheless, we are moving and grooving. Thanks again for sticking around, guys. Let's go ahead and keep on rolling, I guess. Let's go. All right, guys, we have officially made it to MOORE. We are airing down. We're going to go ahead and give this a try real quick. They said there's a +1 on all the trails, meaning if it is rated as a 1 or like beginner or easy, it's going to be a +1. So beginner will be easy and easy will be intermediate. So we're going to go ahead and give it a try though. Hopefully we won't get too stuck. It's a little slippery out here as it is. So I'm going to air down just a little bit to grab a little bit more traction. But let's see what this looks like. Let's give it a try, guys, and hopefully we can make it out of here in one piece.
Time moves slow. What are we
What you think, man?
Yeah, having a good time. Having a good time. It ain't too bad at all. It's a little slick, but yeah, it ain't nothing we can't handle.
Y'all heard it, man. Steven said nothing we can't handle. Let's go and continue and see if we can go get ourselves in more fun. Alright, y'all, so update, we done got to the hotel, we done checked in, and now we're gonna grab some food. We actually did not end up camping at SMORR as planned. It is way too cold out there. Ooh, let me see if I can fix this. There we go. So it was way too cold to be out there, so we've decided to grab a hotel, and now we are going to go grab some food. We're gonna go meet up with Steven, grab some food, and let's see what we can get into for a little bit before tomorrow. So I will see you guys at the restaurant. All right, y'all, back from dinner. Had a great time. I actually did not get any footage of the restaurant, and that was just more so give everybody some privacy. Super busy in there, actually. It was kind of packed, so figured give everyone an opportunity just to enjoy themselves and not be in front of the camera for a little bit. But nonetheless, over with today's video. If you take anything from today's video and this little vlog of out off-roading at SMORR on our way to MOORE tomorrow, is take risks in life. You know, take calculated risks. You know, I don't think we had hesitated to come out here because of the weather, because of the degrees and the possibility of snow, and we decided to go all in and decided to come. That's a lot of things in life, right? You just got to do it, man. Don't be scared. Do it with the right calculations in the form of making sure that it does have a benefit for you, that you are safe in whatever it is that you do. But know that life's too short to not do anything, you know? Do it, because at the end of the day, it's gonna make you happy, and if you're happy, that's the most important thing, right? So, with that being said, before I go on a crazier tangent, have a great night, Daily Dose of Lows fam. I'm out, I'm going to bed. I'll see y'all in the next vlog at the expo. So on 3, 2, 1, follow your path and have a great night. Peace.